Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Xas One. So if you don't know, Xas One is a Roblox app or website that claims that you can get free Robux just by doing simple steps or entering your username in their website. So as you can see right here, we have Xas One on Google right here, and if you actually click on their website right here, you're actually taken to another page, which is kilowatt.pages.dev, and they ask you for your username. So there's nothing here, basically just entering your username, and this seems pretty shady or very suspicious. So if you head on here to malware tips, as you can see, they have said that Xas One is a complete scam, obviously. So as you can see, they have right here how the Xas One Robux scam works. So number one, advertising the free Robux offer, prompting users to input username, then taking users through verification, and then a lot more. So they actually go over that it is too good to be true about the Robux amounts, sketchy redirects, as we can see here. We immediately get redirected to another page, pressuring language, spammy affiliate links, and a lot more. So if you actually head on over here to scamadvisor.com, and let's just wait a minute. And as you can see, they have a trust score of very low, which is 50. So as you can see, they have only two positive highlights, which is that the SSL certificate is valid and the website is safe according to DNS filter. However, the negative highlights outweigh the positive, so the owner of the website is using a service to hide their identity on who is. According to Tranco, this site has a low rank, high number of suspicious websites on the server, and the registrar has a high number of spammers and fraud sites, and this website is very young. So please do not enter in your username or any information in Xas One, or this page or whatever it redirects you to. This is completely a scam. There's no such thing as free Robux from websites. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.